We're learning more tonight about what President-elect Biden wants to do to slow the spread of the coronavirus. And we are finding out there is one related administration position that is proving especially hard to fill. Correspondent Peter Doocy reports tonight from Wilmington, Delaware.
The president-elect began receiving classified intel briefings this week, but still says the most pressing issue is the pandemic.
On the first day I'm inaugurated to say I'm going to ask the public for 100 days to mask. Just 100 days to mask. Not forever, 100 days.
Despite the focus on the virus, Biden still hasn't revealed who he wants to lead one critical department, Health and Human Services. And now Rhode Island's Governor Gina Raimondo says,
I am not going to be President-elect Biden's nominee for HHS Secretary. My focus is right here in Rhode Island.
The newest chair of the Democratic Governors Association is upset about Biden insiders leaking about her. New Mexico's Governor Michelle Lujan Grisham, who Fox learned turned down a nomination as Secretary of the Interior, complained to incoming Chief of Staff Ron Klain today about that getting out, according to the New York Times. There's more job security with Dr. Fauci, who began briefing Biden transition officials about COVID today.
But I've been in this job for 36 years. I keep in the same job with 6 administrations. I totally, fully expect to be in this position.
Climate policy and economic policy will be intertwined, according to Biden's pick for director of the National Economic Council, Brian Deese.
I will focus every day on the bold new actions we need to take to combat the climate crisis.
As the president-elect continues filling out his own cabinet, he plans to follow the lead of 3 predecessors, Obama, Bush, and Clinton, who plan to build public confidence in the COVID vaccine.
Do you plan to get vaccinated before Inauguration Day, and will you do it in public the way that Presidents Obama, Bush, and Clinton have suggested they're willing to?
I'd be happy to do that.
The hairline fractures in the president-elect's foot appear to be healing. His doctor had told us that he would likely be in a walking boot for several weeks. And when we saw him on Tuesday, he was in a big walking boot. But when we saw him today, he was in a slip-on shoe with ankle support. Mike?
Making progress. Peter Doocy live in Wilmington. Peter, thanks a lot.